Namaskar. I welcome all of you to our innovative talk show, Enriching Life. Enriching life. Whose life? My life, your life, life of everybody. And this life is precious. Still, we must always think of enriching it. We must think of enriching it each day, each minute, each moment. And there is no end to enriching. And enriching, the act of enriching depends on the art of learning. If we do not learn, if we do not learn, we cannot improve, we cannot enrich. And for learning, we must have a hunger for learning. I must feel, I must learn, I must learn. It should not be under any pressure. So when I need to create a hunger for learning, I must empower myself. So today's topic is empowering self. Empowering self. The moment we say empowering self, you may be thinking, what? Am I not empowered? Am I powerless? Immediately negative thought comes. Immediately negative thoughts come to our mind. I am not empowered. I don't have power. Am I powerless? No, it's not like that. Everybody is powerful. Everybody is powerful. And so much powerful that some people become overconfident. They have more excess confidence on themselves, so they commit mistake. Purely, very practical, very pragmatic. And these small things I would like to remind all of you that who is not interested for a bright tomorrow, for a prosperous tomorrow, for a productive tomorrow, means my tomorrow should be better than today. Everybody wants it because no one is prepared to remain in a stagnant position, what I am today. So it may be in a professional life, it may be I need a promotion, I need hike in salary. In private life, I need a good house, good bike, good furnitures, good dress, good food. Everybody wants that there should be an increase, improvement, enhancement. So how it can happen? If I don't empower myself, empowering self has different aspects to analyze. First is, I must empower myself to think creatively, to think critically, think deeply, means no casual thought. And thinking is a part of our life. Thinking skill is available with everybody. It has got no link with age, rich, poor, male, female, educated, illiterate, nothing else. Everybody knows how to think. It may be thinking may be good or bad, thinking may be positive, negative. So our thought should be empowered. Thought should be empowered means we must think positive, we must think creative, we must have a critical thinking, and we must have a very positive thinking for a productive result. End result is our performance. At the end of the day, what is assessed, valued, evaluated? Our performance, what I have done. It is not what I have not done. What work is pending, what I have done. So I must empower myself to have a positive thought or creative thinking, powerful thinking, deep thinking. Then comes, I must empower myself to think for a bright future, have a dream, focused goal. What should be my goal? What should be my destinations? What is the deadline for that? All these things I should do it. So I must motivate myself. And that is, I should be inspired. I must inspire myself. And that is, again comes empowerment. Come on. I will do it. I will not fail. I will not go back. Let any hurdles come. Let any challenges come. Let any lapses happen. I must win over. Who is empowering? I am empowering myself. So empowering is not only physical empowerment, going to a gym, having physical exercise, showing bodybuilding. It's not mental empowerment. And for that reason, different skills are there. And the next thing is that when I learn from others, that's fine. But when I learn from my own mistake, then I empower myself. Because I will not commit the same mistake again. Mistake is a must. Anybody who is working will commit a mistake. But if I learn from my mistake, I empower the most. Because the same mistake I will not commit again. And I must be very cautious, very careful for next bold step. My focus is that tomorrow will be better than today. So I will empower my thought, I will empower my action, I will empower my emotion. Again, emotion. Emotion is a part of life. But there are so many people, they are not able to handle their emotion intelligently. So they are emotionally affected, emotionally exploited. So that's why there are different training programs conducted on emotional intelligence. Intelligently we have to handle my emotion and emotion of the other people, so I can have a bridge, manage properly with my emotion, with the emotion of other. Because I have to work in a group, in a team, either in family or in office. I cannot work alone. So empowering self to handle emotion properly is a big task and is a vital factor in our life. Life has to be explored. So many experiments in life we have to do it. But one thing we have to remember, it is whose life? It is my life. Then it is whose responsibility? It is my responsibility. But am I prepared to own the responsibility of self? खुद का जिम्मेदारी खुद लो. Am I prepared to own the responsibility? Am I prepared to be accountable for my success and failure both? So I should be empowered enough to face any hurdles, any challenges, any drawbacks or any type of setbacks in life. So these are the certain empowerment, and this empowerment depends on my own decision, my own thought, my own attitudes. When I feel the hunger for learning, when I feel I must grow, I must develop, I must shine, I must have a dream and I must have a bright future. These things comes when I love myself. This will happen when I am responsible for myself. Let's be very practical, very pragmatic, and spend some time to talk to self every day. And that will find the ways to empower self. Hope all these things must have been a food for thought for you, and you must have started thinking on this thing. If you like it, please subscribe our video, share it, and practice it so that others can observe a change in you and you will be a role model for them. See you next time. Namaskar.